The City of Charles Sturt program has been fantastic. I've been interested in solar panels for about 10 years. And I have seen other adverts on telly, and when this one came up through the Charles Sturt newsletter, I thought this is the one for me. There was more benefits and savings to it. The bills that I was receiving before getting the solar panels and battery, it was around $350. Just prior to actually making the decision, it jumped to $600. Been really amazed with the savings that I've got through the solar panels and batteries, and it's now in credit of, I think it's $460 that they've got to pay me. Woohoo! The savings that I'm getting, I'm just overwhelmed, you know, and I do talk to my neighbours and everyone in the street about how good it is. I mean, I couldn't understand why anyone wouldn't want to get it. I've only got good words to say about it. Every month I always think to myself, what a great decision you've made. The process of signing up was very simple. It was, you know, several calls of where they'd contact me, telling me what I needed to do, payment plan to get started, but a very simple process to follow. I would definitely recommend ShineHub to all my friends. Don't think too hard about it, just do it.